This is my most favorite time of the year. That kind of sounds like a Christmas song, but it's because it's Christmas. So if you see all these boxes back there, just know they are presents. It's not that I'm neglecting to clean up my office space, or maybe then again I am. You will never know. Now, my name is Ryan Troy, and I am here to help you grow your business, your side hustle, or your YouTube channel, even your social media. I'm literally like a one-stop shop. So if you're interested in any of these things, go ahead on and subscribe. Or if you don't want to subscribe, if you don't like my personality or my face, you can just say it. I mean, comment below. Let me know, Ryan, I don't like your face. Either way it goes, subscribe, like the video if you get value to it. Let's jump straight into it. Now, what I want to talk to you today about is something that you probably heard a million times, but sometimes we just got to keep drilling it into your head in order for you to understand it. And not just you, myself included, because recently I kind of went through this as well. Now, when we start our own side venture, side hustle, YouTube channel, maybe even a new Instagram account, we like to compare ourselves to other people that are successful. Well, do you know what happens when you do that? You kind of get discouraged, okay? You may fail at certain things. Now, when we fail, what is it that we do? What do you do when you fail? Now, a lot of people, when they fail, they decide to quit. Now, this is the wrong thing to do. And the reason why is because we need to fail, okay? We will not be successful unless we fail. So I want to give you the scenario, actually. Let's say you started a business. I don't know what your business is. You think of it right here in your head. You got it locked in. Perfect. So whatever that business you got locked right here is, you were successful in it. You started out successful. You went, you start growing. So the business kept getting more successful. And now you had to hire on more people. Okay. So now you have a whole team full of people to help you with your successful business. Congratulations. So let's say the pandemic hits, right? But you've been successful for so long that when this thing comes and throw a wrench in the road, or whatever that saying is, once that happens, now you're not successful, or now the business isn't successful. And it may only last a month. We never know, because we don't know how long this stuff was supposed to last, and it's kind of still here, but that's besides the point. So when you don't know how long it's going to last, what do you do? Because you have been successful for so long. Well, I'll tell you what you do. You start to panic. You don't know what to do. And that is a problem. Now, the reason why that is a problem is because now you got people that are employed. You got people that you pay. You got people that depend on you. You got people that at home, their children, next meal may be relying on whatever this is that you're doing. So you just messed it up. But the reason why you messed it up is because you were successful for so long. Failing in the beginning is the best thing to do, because you don't have nothing depending on, nobody depending on you, or just no one depending on you. You don't have nobody depending on you. So you want to fail, because when you fail, you will learn. I want you to go into every single thing that you fail at, thinking, what is it that I did wrong, and what is it that I don't want to do to make sure this never happens again. Now, there are people like me. This is a new YouTube channel, so of course I don't have that much content on here giving you advice on certain things, but trust me, there are a whole lot of people out there that do. So there are people that you can listen to, but a lot of times we as people, we as human beings, we got to learn the hard way. Okay, we got to go out there and we just got to touch that stove that's on fire. Just got to feel the pain. Okay, sometimes that's just what we got to do. And once we do that, we end up learning from it. Okay, so I do want to advise you, go out there, try to learn from others, but go out there and fail. Go out there and try things. Life is not a straight up and down line. It is zigzag, crisscross, backwards, up, downs. It's all of that. Okay, and I want you to go in any direction you want to and fail, and then say, all right, well, next time I'm going in this direction. And then you start going and it start looking good, and then you go a little bit on over there to the left, and then you fail again. Okay, I want you to do that every single time. Now, with my main YouTube channel, back in September, by the way, quick story, just started a YouTube channel April 2021. I think that's what year we're in. And I hit the monetization program, the partner program, within 6 months. So I grind real hard. And then next thing you know, in September, I was burnt out. I was trying to get my 1,000 subscribers. I burnt out after getting my 1,000 subscribers. And I was like, I don't want to do this anymore. I was putting out videos. I wasn't inspired to really do anything good. And the videos kept flopping. But I had a friend that told me, hey, you work this hard, do not give up. And sometimes you need somebody like that in your corner, okay? Go out there and find you a good friend. Don't find you a friend that's gonna tell you yes all the time and you're doing a good job all the time. You need that friend that's gonna also sit you down and be like, hey, you're messing up, do better, okay? Get that friend, okay? And also, don't get that friend that's always negative. Every time, don't get that friend. If you have that friend, kick that friend out your life. If that friend's your girlfriend or your boyfriend, I don't have relationship advice for you, but kick that friend out your life. Anyway, back to what I was saying. So I decided, you know what? In October, I did work hard to get my channel where it is. I am going to keep on pushing. And then in October, I had the most success on my channel that I ever had all the months before that. And that is because I chose not to quit. Man, let me tell you something. Sometimes when you want to quit because of failure, you're just this close to having your channel or your business just skyrocket, just go really high in the air. And that's what we want, okay? I want you to make sure that you look at failure in a positive way and don't look at it in a negative way. If I was to tell you right now, I want you to go out there tomorrow and fail, you're probably not subscribed to my channel. It is probably not a good thing for me to recommend, but I want you to go out there tomorrow and fail. That's my advice for you. I don't know how you're going to take it. Don't go out there and do anything illegal, but go out there and fail. Okay. And, you let me know how that goes for you. If you got any type of value from this channel, go ahead on and leave it with a like. My name is Ryan Troy, and I'm here to help you succeed and not fail after you fail a few times. See you guys in the next video. Peace.